Kalawan and then?
No, this is not Kalawan, San Pablo.
Yeah, it's some problem.
Pencil yap.
And then Tita Nika is so lazy.
What?
Oh, ate, chips.
She doesn't know what to eat.
Hawak.
This is chips. Chipmunk.
Hindi. Ano?
Kamote. Kamote. That's squid ate. Lama.
I want squid. I want cheese.
Ito nga, chips to. Walang cheese.
Cheese.
Walang cheese. Sausaw ko dito sa cheese. Cheese. You like it? Oh.
This is the yummy cheese.
Kami palagay na nga rin yun.
Dito, akin na po dito.
Dito na.
Baka kaya, no? Kaya natatapon. Kulit kasi. Kainin mo na agad. Ka na mag-vlog. Ka na mag-vlog.
May bowl soup na nga pala tayo.
No,
No food.
Ito naman yung lasa niya.
just my water. Dalawa eating rice. It's so good. Tita Nika has pimples.
What?
Tita Nika has pimples.
Oh, chips pa.
No thanks. My vlog doesn't look anymore.
Mamaya ka na ulit. Mamaya. Kakain muna tayo.